Hello everyone! Today we have a super special class for you, 12-year-old boys and girls. And it's going to be a boring class. I promise. In fact, I have something magical for you, a magic box. This box is full of magic words in English, and they all have something in common. Do you know what's so special about these words? They have a special sound that combine to form something called diphthong and triphthong. But wait, I am not going to open this box alone. I am going to need Naomi's help for that. Naomi, can you help us open this magic box and show us the words that contain this magic sound? Let's find out together.
Now, let's see what we can find first. Here are some words with diphthongs. These are words with two vowels. Sounds that are joined together, like they are dancing together. Super fun! The first 5 magic words with diphthong are coin. Repeat after me. Coin. Coin. Now repeat. Kite. Kite. Good job. Now repeat. Loud. Loud. Next word. Play. Play. And finally repeat. Boil. Boil. And now we are going to the most magic word of. There are the one with triphthong, with in when you can buy 3 vowel sound. It like and part of 3 sound together. Here are 5 words with triphthong. Repeat after me. Fire. Fire. Now repeat. Power. Power. Very good. Repeat. Pleasure. Pleasure. Next word. Repeat. Lower. Lower. And the last word. Repeat. Wire. Wire. Great. Let's continue exploring more about diphthong and triptong with fun and exciting activities.
Now that we have learned what diphthongs and triptongos are, let's play a little listening game. I'm going to tell you a word and you have to listen very carefully to identify if it's a diphthong or a triphthong. Pay close attention. Listen to this word. Sound. Sound. Is it a diphthong or a triphthong? Correct. It's a diphthong. Now, listen to this word. Fireworks. Fireworks. Is it a diphthong or a triphthong? Good. It's a triphthong. Next, listen to this word. Cloud. Cloud. What do you think? diphthong or triphthong? Exactly. It's a diphthong. Let's go with another word. Listen. Tower. Tower. Is it a diphthong or a triphthong? Yes, it's a triphthong. You are doing great. Now, listen to this word. Rain. Rain. What is it? A diphthong or a triphthong? Very good. It's a diphthong. And finally, the word flower. Flower. Is it a diphthong or a triphthong? What do you think? Perfect. It's a triphthong. Excellent job, guys. You have identified diphthongs and triphthongs very well. Now, you will continue to reinforce this learning with caring. Good luck.
Hi guys! Welcome to our challenging educational activity. Today, we'll embark on a fun quiz with 6 questions designed to explore our topic of diphthongs and triphthongs. But why have we chosen exactly 6? Because we think it's the perfect number to keep a balance between the fun and challenging aspects of learning. Get ready to challenge your mind and discover how amazing this topic can be. Let's begin this adventure. In this quiz, you will find 5 multiple choice questions. Your task will be to select the correct answers for each of them. Remember to read the question carefully as they can be tricky. Here's an example. Let's read the question. Which of the following words is not a triphthong? The options are player, hire, boy. Do you know what the answer is? If your answer was boy, you are correct. Congratulations! Now you might be wondering, what's the last question? This is where the activity gets really interesting. The last question is not like the previous ones, as instead of choosing between options, you will have to sort the words into 2 columns, diphthongs and triphthongs. For this part, we have selected 5 words that contain diphthongs and 5 that contain triphthongs. Your mission will be to separate them correctly, which will allow you to analyze the understanding of these elements. But be careful! The questions are often random, so it's essential that you pay close attention. We hope this activity will help you to strengthen your knowledge of English pronunciation and structure. Diphthongs and triphthongs are important components of the language, and understanding their use will make reading and pronunciation much easier. Good luck in the learning process!
Good guys, you did great. Now I know that diphthong and triphthong are little magic trick. Before you finish, don't forget to check out that quizzes link in the video description to keep practicing and have fun with what you have learned. Remember, every time you see or hear 2 or 3 vowels together, you will know you're using your magic. Keep practicing, because the more you play with the sound, that easier and more fun it will be to speak English. Don't give up. Every word you fear is one more step to improve. See you on the next word adventure. Bye-bye.